Hi friends, welcome to Geetika's Kitchen Cook with Ease. Today let us make an easy one-pot recipe using wheat rava or goduma rava or bansi rava. Wheat rava is rich in proteins and fiber and is a great option for weight loss. A combination of wheat rava and vegetables is extremely healthy and can be consumed at any point of the day. So let's start preparing healthy vegetable wheat rava upma. To make this, turn on the stove, let the flame be on medium, place a cooker and add about 3 tablespoons of oil and let the oil heat for some time. When the oil heats, add about half teaspoon of rye or mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and fry them till they turn nice brown color. Now add half teaspoon jeera, 1 big onion finely chopped and fry till it turns transparent. To this add some curry leaves. This gives a very nice flavor. 4 sliced green chilies, a piece of ginger finely chopped and stir it well. Now it's time to add the vegetables. Let us add 1 potato chopped roughly, half cup boiled peas and 1 carrot chopped roughly and let us mix it well. To this add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir it well. After 2 or 3 minutes, add 250 grams of wheat rava and mix it well with all the vegetables. Keep the flame on low and roast the rava for about 3 to 4 minutes. This gives a very good flavor. After the rava has roasted well, add 750 ml of water and mix it thoroughly. It looks very colorful, right? At this point, we can check the salt level. I have added about half teaspoon of salt and now the taste is absolutely great. Now close the cooker, let the flame be on medium and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Now turn off the stove. Let us wait till the pressure goes off. It's time to open the cooker. I have opened the cooker. See how good and colorful it looks. To make it even more tastier, we can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it well. See how well the vegetables have cooked and it looks very tasty. Now our healthy vegetable wheat rava upma is ready. Dish it out in a plate and garnish it with few coriander leaves and it's ready to serve. This tastes very good without any chutney, but if you wish, it can be served with pickle. Wheat rava helps in improving blood sugar level and also reduces the risk of diabetes. So do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback. You can also watch other recipe videos of Geetika's Kitchen The links are given in the description box. So hope you like the recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to Geetika's Kitchen for tasty and healthy recipes. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye and thank you.